And here we have the ratio of similarity assignment number 2. And it says two triangles are similar with the ratio of similarity of 1 to 10. The ratio of similarity is the same as the linear ratio. So I have a linear ratio of 1 over 10. It says the smaller triangle has a side length of 48. The side means that we're looking at the linear ratio of 48. So we set up a proportion using the linear ratio and set that equal to, since this is the smaller triangle, that means that number has to go on top, and I try and find it with trying to find the larger triangle by putting x on bottom. When we cross multiply, we get x equals 480. That's the number that's going to go in here. Next, we have to find the area ratio. Again, to find the area ratio, you have to take the linear ratio and square it. That means we're going to have 1 over 100 because we're just squaring the top number and squaring the bottom number. Once we have the area ratio of 1 over 100, again, I'm going to set up a proportion. It says the area of the larger triangle is 157. Because it's the larger triangle, that means it goes on bottom with the larger number in my ratio. The smaller one goes on top. When we cross multiply, I get 100x is equal to 157. So I take x times 100 and 1 times 157, divide by 100, and we end up with x is equal to 1.57.